Hey yo, and a big hello from here in Central Illinois. I'm Jason Canarum, and I do appreciate you stopping by. But today, we're here to open this package. Okay, Gordan over there at Kodiak Edge, bladesmithing. He he's alive a lot for many hours a day. He every Sunday he does a Sunday Funday, and he gives things away like things that he makes, like this leather slip here. Um, it's quite nice. He does all this tooling by hand. I don't know if you can see all that. It's quite nice. Well, he wanted me to make him some patches for his hats, my laser engraver, and I needed a new sheath for my multi-tool. So we did a little trade, and it came in. I'm pretty excited. So let's get this thing open. He makes knives. Well, here's the knives I make. 3D printed it not too long ago. All right. So it's way down here, so I feel safe cutting up here. Oh, would you look at that? Did custom blue stitching that you can't see. The other one that he did, so he did this on a live. He cut it out one day, he stained it, he put all the snaps in it, he sewed it by hand. So the one he did on the live was white. I'll leave a link for all this in the description. But he did the other stitching in white. I think he was going to do his own in tan because he doesn't even have one of these. But don't that look nice? All right, I'll show you how I carry now and how this is going to look. All right, there's how I carry it right now. It's just a double mag pouch. So let me get this taken off here and see how things fit. Here's my old pouch, just a generic little double mag pouch. Holds my Gerber multi-tool and a little double A flashlight. Look at that fitment. I literally just sent him a picture and the measurements of the tool, and he made this. There's his stamp on the back of it. See all the nice stitching? Well, let's see if the flashlight fits. It's a little tight, but I like that. It's going to fit quite nice. We'll go through there, back through my belt loop. Oh yeah. Thank you, Gordan. Yes, that looks nice. I appreciate you, bud. Hopefully those patches get there to you real soon. All right, with that being said, I'm Jason. I appreciate you. Remember, smile while you still have teeth. See ya.